Hi Lily, I'm just going to make you this screencast to show you how to submit your assignment. So here's your home page. I'm just going to go to modules so I can find the assignment. Oops, it's up here. So it's part of your Canvas scavenger hunt. It's this one. Okay, so you'll notice that there's a Submit Assignment button up here. You'll want to click that. Then also notice that you have some tabs up here. So click Google Drive, and then it will list, it doesn't do it on mine because I am not a real student in this course, but it will list all of your Google Drive files. You just need to find the one that is called Two Truths and a Lie. You need to select it, and then once you've selected it, you hit Submit Assignment right here. Another way you can do it is to download your file from Google Drive onto your computer and then choose the file here and again hit Submit. I hope that helps.